Children, welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to start with the chapter 4 position. Chapter 4 position. What is that? Let's learn about position. See, on, under, on, under. The bag is on the desk. See, it is on the desk. The bag is on the desk. The bottle is under the desk. There is a desk on the top. It is a bag. A bag is on the desk and bottle is under the desk. A bag is on the desk and bottle is under the desk. Above, below, above, below, above. The aeroplane is above the cloud. The bird is below the cloud. The aeroplane is above the cloud. The bird is below the cloud. See, there is a cloud and aeroplane is above the cloud and bird is below the cloud. Aeroplane is above the cloud and bird is below the cloud. Then before, between, after. Before, between, after. See the pictures? Three are there. The elephant is before the zebra. Elephant is before the zebra and giraffe is after the zebra. Giraffe is after the zebra and zebra is in the middle, means between the elephant and zebra is in between the elephant and giraffe. So see here, elephant is before the zebra and giraffe is after the zebra. Giraffe is after the zebra and zebra is in between the elephant and giraffe. Zebra is between the elephant and giraffe. See here, some cookies and candies are there. Candies are inside the jar. Cookies are outside the jar. Candies are inside the jar. Biscuits are outside the jar. So what we have learnt? On, under. The bag is on the desk. Bottle is under the desk. Bag is on the desk. Bottle is under the desk. Aeroplane is above the cloud. Bird is below the cloud. Aeroplane is above the cloud. Bird is below the cloud. There is an elephant which is before the zebra. Giraffe is after the zebra. And zebra is between both elephant and giraffe. Candies are inside the jar and biscuits are outside the jar. Candies are inside the jar, biscuits are outside the jar. Okay, so we have learnt different positions. Let us now do some exercises and some more also there. Here, top, bottom. See, the boy is on the top of the ladder. Girl is at the bottom of the ladder. The boy is at the top of the ladder. Girl is at the bottom of the ladder. The rabbit is near the deer. The rabbit is near the deer and elephant is far from the deer. Elephant is far from the deer. Rabbit is near the deer. So, write the position of the given animals. Write the position of the given animals. See here, the rat is dash the table. The rat is on the table. The rat is on the table. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. U-N-D-E-R, under. The rat is on the table. The cat is under the table. The fish is inside the bowl. Where is the fish? It is inside the bowl. And the cat is outside the bowl. The fish is inside the bowl. The cat is outside the bowl. The book is dash the pen. And the pencil box is dash the pen. So where book is after the pen, Book is after the pen. After. And pencil box is before the pen. Book pencil box is before the pen. Okay, next. The monkey is on top of the pole. On top of the pole. And the cat is at the bottom of the pole. The monkey is on top of the pole. The cat is at the bottom of the pole. One is before two. One is before two. One is before two. Three is after two. Three is after two. Two is between 1 and 3. 2 is between 1 and 3. Okay. Then next, values and life skills. In the absence of the teacher, children stand on the desk making noise. Do you think it is right to do so? No, it is wrong. When the teacher is not in the class, we should sit silently and do our work. We should not make a noise, and standing on the desk is a very risky. You can fall down and you can hurt yourself. Okay, never you need to stand on the desk. Okay, then individual activity. To observe positions in daily life, things we need: a pencil. Observe and answer the following questions. In the morning assembly, who stands before and after you? Write the names here. Is the principal's office far or near from your class? Write here. You put your school bag on or under the desk. Which games do you play inside and outside the classroom? Inside which game, outside which game, you have to write in all these boxes. Okay. Then with this, we've completed with this chapter. So complete this, do this work. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Have a good day.